Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Hausa. Today we are making Nigerian chicken suya. This Nigerian chicken suya, guys, is so delicious. Okay, for this recipe I'm using chicken thigh, Next, I will transfer the chicken into a chopping board. I will pat dry the chicken with a paper towel. Just so you know, the chicken is clean. I did rinse it off camera. Next, I will chop the chicken into chunks, just so it cooks very well. In another bowl, I will add some chicken seasoning, some bouillon cubes, black pepper, garlic granules, curry powder, onion powder, some salt, paprika powder, ginger powder, 1/3 cup of suya spice, some soy sauce, some vegetable oil, I'll give that a good mix. Next, I will add the chicken. I will mix that nicely. Cover with a cling film to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, guys, I will transfer into the oven rack and then into my oven. After grilling for 40 minutes in a preheated oven, my chicken suya is ready, straight out from the oven. Absolutely delicious, and it's super easy to prepare. So guys, this right here tastes really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.